When you're shipping clinical trial samples or tissue samples, you don't get a second chance. These types of shipments are irreplaceable. So as part of our global healthcare solution strategy, FedEx was interested in developing a solution specifically for frozen shippers. As we looked around the market, we were trying to identify a disruptive or innovative type technology that was unique. The one that we found was Cryoport. And Cryoport has a unique dry shipper technology that uses nitrogen. And it holds up to 10 days, negative 150 degrees Celsius, which is very unique in the marketplace. What we found was that the innovative technology matched nicely with the transportation and logistics capabilities that FedEx has today. And together we bundled them to create the FedEx Deep Frozen Shipping solution.
What we bring to the life science industry is a validated end-to-end cold chain logistics solution. What people want is a system that will be consistently the same every time. And when you're turning over maybe a $50 million clinical trial that has to have samples move from point A to point B on a global scale, these are the kinds of things that people don't want to take chances for. I think one of the questions that arises is, why should I outsource a deep frozen shipping solution? And I think the easy part of that is validation. One of the difficulties with existing or older dewar fleets that are not validated is you really don't know when the failure is going to happen. Most of these have very specific manufacturing lives. They're not really designed to just be shipped every day and never be tested.
So at Cryoport, quality is extremely important for us. We ensure every time that a shipper comes back that in order for it to be used again in another shipment, that we go through and put it through several different tests. One of those tests is going to be a nitrogen evaporation rate test. We will take it to a mass spectrometer, and we'll have the mass spectrometer determine whether there's an actual leak inside the dewar. We also go through and clean the dewars with a 99% alcohol solution, both inside and out, and then it's ready for shipment for the next time. Cryoport uses a dry vapor shipper technology. It has its advantages over dry ice and gel packs because mainly of the holding time. With dry ice and gel packs, typically you're looking at anywhere between a 24 and 48 hour holding time on average. And with dewars, you're looking at 10 plus days. In addition to the holding time limitations that dry ice is also a hazardous substance. It's complete solid carbon dioxide, so it's a poison. The advantages that liquid nitrogen have over that is that you're breathing right now. 78% of the atmosphere is nitrogen, so it's not a hazardous substance when it evaporates.
So Cryoport has this unique dewar technology. But in addition, they also have this rigorous testing to ensure the technology maintains integrity throughout the entire process. But that's not all you need for a shipment of this importance. What you have to have is the reliability of FedEx transportation, also the monitoring and intervention capabilities that is provided by FedEx to make sure that that shipment maintains integrity throughout the entire process. As part of the FedEx Deep Frozen Shipping solution, we have the ability to monitor the shipment through the entire process. And this is done through our Priority Alert organization, which tracks the dewar once it's been shipped from the charging station to the collection site, from the collection site to the lab, and then finally back to the recharging station. FedEx is just taking all of the complexity out of deep frozen shipping. In the end, it's all about peace of mind. It's about knowing that your shipment is going to get from point A to point B intact and in the condition that you sent it.
When you look at what we bring into the industry, that being a validated, IP-protected dewar fleet, a very proprietary-driven software platform that is specifically for us handling this cryogenic space, and then the added benefit of 24/7, 365 people. You take that in combination with the expertise of FedEx, and that's a winning combination. That's something that you can't find anywhere in the industry.